Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a cartoon video or animated video using Canva. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to make it. So first I have created a cartoon video using Canva. So first I am going to show you that this is the video. Okay, then I will show you how to create like this videos, okay, using Canva. So first, here this is the video which I have created. Now here what you have to do, just go to canva.com. okay, go to canva.com on Google and then search for it. Now you will see like this. Now here you will see videos option. Okay, now just click on videos. So when you click on videos, here you will see all the options you will get, and also here you will see timeline. Okay, where you can see how things working. Okay, now here you will see elements option, and you have to first choose a background. So you can upload a background here by using this. If you have background, you can upload it by here by using upload files options. And so I am going to use this background. Okay, then now what you have to do, here you have to just click on elements and search for walking. And click on see all. Just here you have to click on this option. Okay, this, and here you will see animated option. Just click on it, and here you will see like this options. Now what you have to do, just search for like this. This is the animated cartoon which I have used in my videos. Okay, like this. Now I have also used this. Okay, now like this. And what you have to do, now I'm going to animate it. So how to animate it? So now here you will see animate options. Okay, here this is the animate option. Just click on it, and now here you will see create an animation. Now select the person or the cartoon which you want to animate, and then just click on create animation. Click on it. Now press shift. Okay, press shift and drag it to the forward. Okay, and now here you have to just click on steady. Okay, so you will see that. Okay, now select second one, delete pathway. Now select second one and then click on animate again, create animation. Now press shift. Okay, now forward it. Now here you have to also click on steady. So now just play. I'm going to play it. Okay, so you will see that. Now if you want to another background, just click on plus here. You can click on plus here. Now create. Now I'm going to choose this another background here. Okay, now again go to elements and select that again. Now just reduce the size. Okay, now again follow that step, press shift. Study. So like this you can create animated video. You can also use other options which I am going to show you in my next video. So please subscribe my channel, also press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.